So if you want to publish your Google AI Studio app that you created to Play Store, here's how you do it. So firstly, go to your AI Studio. So just open up the app that you want to publish. So once you're done with the designing and everything, so once it's all good to publish, so for example here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this share option here. So click on the share option here and then copy this link here. So once you're done, copy this app link here and this will copy the link. All right. Okay. So once you have copied it, now go to this website here, appmysite.com. So just type in appmysite.com, go to this website and then hit on sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on get started and create one account. So once you have created your account and logged in, hit on this create app option here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to simply convert the app that we just created on Google AI Studio into a mobile app that is compatible on Play Stores. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So click on this option here, web to app, the first option, and then give a name to your app. Okay, just do that, and then now paste the link that you just copied and then click on create app. So this will now do the conversion and create the app that's compatible for you to send it or submit on Play Store. So you can just choose this, or you can just hit on next and then hit on next, click on next, and then just skip. You can do that and then go to these apps. So it's now doing the conversion. So once you're done, once you've created the app, so now what we're going to do is you're going to go on your left side menu here. You have the option to either like download the APK files and then go to your Google Play Store and then just submit it over there. So which, if you want to do that, you can go to this download option and then download it, or you can go and click on this publish option and then select Google Play Store here. So click on this and this will take you to your Google Play Store console here, where you have to log in and make a one-time payment to publish your app. And then once it's verified or reviewed, and you will be like added to Play Store. So this is how you actually do it.